Okay, I'm recording. Hey guys, it's Vera here. So I'm gonna showcase all the moves that Tengen has, and I don't know if he's meta or not because for my last video you saw how the lag is crazy. How my last video I said this guy was meta. Well, he basically is. If go check that video out. So this is first move, bomb spear. I can't say it. Fun move. Yeah, this is his move. Okay. Second move. We need to get the FP more helpful. So yeah, this is his second move, I think. His fourth move. This is when he becomes a big AoE attack. And it's pretty big. And if you have another move, and that's max. This is max. It's max like area. But I don't know if he's. I'm gonna have to check the tier list and check if he's meta. If he's not, just don't try to get him. But if he is, I advise you try to get him because he's really good. That's like this is my team and stuff like that. And that's how I mostly do some of my story. I'm gonna try to play the post about this game more often, but I don't know. I have to think about it. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and just share to your friends, not your family. Because I don't know, it would kind of be weird. But share to your friends and just your friends, your classmates.